my mom did make me some food. I'm going to show you guys. Let's show you guys in the light. I'm guys can see the food. Isn't it nice what that's it's up in, you know? I'm going to get her with it. She's hungry. But first I need to sleep. Her head is up. Her feed is on again. And after that I'm going to make her asleep so that she can take a long nap. See, she's uncomfortable. So I'm just going to eat while she feeds herself. Feed yourself, Papa. Just put your hand like that. And it's up to feeding herself.